Revolutionary greetings, fellow Ambazonians. This is your comrade Wally of the Ambazonia Defense Forces, the ADF. Today is August the 3rd, 2021. And let me start by thanking our people in Ground Zero, all the mommy, papa, them brothers and sisters, for una wonderful work. The ghost town where una the respect them, for show the international community that we wanted nothing short of independence. Our defense forces, the Ambazonia Defense Forces, the pay setters, una cafe day up, General Efang, the biggest number. Thank you for everything that you are doing, and I'm using you as a point of contact to touch all our defense forces and our sister forces. Grandpa Devu, aka General Sumanguru, Lieutenant General Popo, Brigadier Yannick, Yakafede Up, General Cobra, General Rambo, General Capo of Bui, General Ebube, General Kumbo, all una place then they pa them Captain Small Pikin, and use una as a point of contact for all our defense forces and the sister forces. So when I talk, it touch una, it intend trickle down touch everybody at home and in the diaspora. The bravest and finest that Ambazonia have ever seen. That in fact that the world have ever seen. Thank una for una sacrifices for our nation, and una keep up with the good work. We dey for una back, shake, you know day. I want to thank everybody in the diaspora who una don't subscribe. All the new subscribers, TTOF.net. I want to thank una. The people the way that increase their monthly contribution. I want to thank una. Even if na by $5, $1, $10, it means a lot to our revolution. I want really sincerely thank una. Now we soldiers them where they sick, so when they day hospital, rain before, so when they no get rain boot, they no get raincoat, they no get clothes for wear, they no get jacket for wear, it freeze for night, and all we would see how they continuously go out there and do a great job. So I want for really appeal, say the people the way it touch them. Can you subscribe to TTOF.net? Those who are already on TTOF.net, will you consider increasing your monthly contribution? It will go a long way to touch life and to facilitate our route to freedom. Thank you guys so much for everything that we have been doing. It has not been easy. Nobody said it was gonna be easy. I also want to appeal and solicit everybody's presence. We are having a town hall Zoom fundraiser on a Saturday, this coming Saturday, August the 7th, 2021, starting at 5:30 p.m. Amber time. Please be there and support support the revolution, support the liberation of your homeland. Do your best to be there. If you cannot be there, go to www.ttof.net, do your one-time contribution, send me the screenshot, and it will be greatly appreciated. I thank all una for the wonderful work we will do so far, and I solicit everybody try for be for this fundraiser. Now report card, it don't come out. All we don't see thing where it happen. We don't see how it play for the international community. The good things that say the leaders, the way they try for sell we for La Republique agenda, they always try to put all the Ambazonians to see each other in the lens of the eyes of the colonizer. It does not work, because even the followers them for the scammers them, they no be no say they are part them. They don't already go sign for fit La Republique agenda. It be a shame. Say people them for a generation, then self the sell the generation. Sako Ikome, Chris Anu, all the members of the act that were running to Swiss to eat the Swiss cheesecake. Unada see say United Nations World Bank don't issue a report, and all the followers of this gang, these criminals them, where they don't kill who fighters them for Ground Zero, pass everybody by way of instruction. May they go kill each other. When I don't see where they be to go with this Swiss bullshit, where they don't try for rob everybody in the revolution, may they see each other in the eyes of the colonizers. It does not work. Prophets of doom have come and go. It is a shame that young people, even old men, will try to sell a generation for ministerial position. It is a shame. It is an abomination. Say, when I do that kind of thing, and the worst part of it, I say, and not even the worst part, that's a good part, because if una followers them, they be know they for probably some of them for probably go with una and una for don't succeed, but it will not work. One person will not sell this generation. This generation is thirsty for freedom. So one day they don't stay for diaspora. This old part the way they don't stay for diaspora, go back home, go marry small picking them. Can't you start born picking them? Now why not they no one more ever be free? So that made they go for the make people there for they see them in the white man eye. That white man bullshit get for stop. It get for stop. We are equal. Ground Zero, when I hear me and hear me well, we are equal. Possibility they see how brothers and sisters they die for desert because they want to go for this white man rubbish. We are equal. We country be rich. If we do the right thing for liberate we country, we no go ever lack anything. We go all be fine. Now we get school picking there. We don't agitate say we picking and they go school. Now the community school it go and it boom, it function very well. The students them, they need books, they need pencils, they need chalk, they need clothes for wear them, they need uniform for wear to school. The teachers they need small stipend, small compensation them, small thing just for say you fit chop before you can't teach, not be really pay because we there for this revolution. Beside the criminals, the Grand Maryland them, where they don't turn this revolution into a money-making scheme. Beside them, every other person they work now for the liberation of our homeland because now the right thing what would you do? Any man where don't come for this diaspora, where they for Europe, America, Asia, wherever you day, if you never get a life going for yourself, if you think say you go live now on people their blood, you lie yourself. Some of you don't catch shit off here. Una know one may will be free, more people there for home be free, so that anytime una they go, they look and say grand don't come. Una will be married small woman there they suppose be una picking them. Come for here for una pa age they una start born picking them again. Una they try for make them very impossible. May they not be free. You don't pass that level. One band of it say we. It be clear. Report card don't show. Una don't see say all the people, the agitators, the way they always be fast for point the egg of C. And the ADF say they work for La Republic. We don't see that they work for La Republic. Why would anybody call them their defense forces or their fighters restoration? What are they restoring? We have never been independent. The independence have never been given to us. They gave us a two-state federation which was hijacked. So what are we restoring? What are we restoring? Simple question. Would you restore now? Wait, you know, you restore now something where if it don't exist, then you want to go back for go get them. We'll never ever get independent. So the life for picking them, who brothers them, who mommy the way they don't burn them alive, it don't mean nothing for una. Enough is enough, and only independence. Ambazonians, support your defense forces. They are doing a marvelous job. They are getting stronger by the day. And that is what has given us the go ahead. Because if we not be build this defense force and continue for construct them, for build them the way would you do them, these criminals therefore don't already get their way. But we have made it difficult. One person no fit sell we will dialogue, we will go and negotiate as Ambazonians, not like one faction, so that we will enter the country together and we develop the country together. When we talk say all money place, they all money place, actually they, because the country big, every man go get his work. The schools then, the community schools then, you know, they give now this kind of education where you go come out for school, start calling your big brother or your big sister for America, may buy concours before you put you there, or sell una house before una buy concours, so that when you come out, your priority go be now for the take bribe, for pay that people the way they don't sponsor you, or for pay, or for buy back una house. Not be the kind of education that we would try for Bilam. Would try for build an education where Pekin go to graduate for school. He not go to look same as a man employee. He go learn multinational skills. He go learn how to take cassava, granam for gari, granam for unkumkum. Take someone, make water fufu. Take someone, cook am like cassava chop. Take the leaf, cook am like pem chop. So the same way where they would try for work with that cassava, na the very so where we go take we coffee, she don't for country, take so what, make her send a tea, take so what, make her send a anything we make them. We go take we cocoa, we take so one make her send a chocolate, take so one make her send a powder, do anything we fit do inside we country. Not be say we go take we raw material. Some people they will come over some country can't take her for almost free, and then time where they don't bring the finished product, we no fit even afford for buy them. So where are we? We give na education where when you finish school, even if you learn na for cook, you go be na a chef, you go to cook delicious meal where you go to feed the community and people they go to catch up, and you go be rich too for your own work where you do them. No work no go be looked upon as being inferior, because now one thing that we don't can learn for diaspora. Even if man is sweep street, he be very happy for that street where he is sweeping, because the money where he get them from that street sweeping, he be able to keep his family and himself together. He not become a liability to his family. Now the kind of education that way we want them for territory, it be needless for the push the colonizers away, and then we employ colonial education to our children. It means say we fight now a lost battle, because those speaking they go big with those kind of education still become a liability to the country and to everybody. So I just want continuously for us everybody say try to be in that fundraiser, try to send it your support on time, so that the defense forces they go get where they need them, and they go continue for defend our homeland. Make we understand say the position where we country today in a very strategic position where even if we be free, we picking them, we grand picking them, our great grand picking they go know say their top priority now for defend that country, because the location where we country day it warrant everybody for the always try for can capture we, because of the fertility of our land, the position to the Atlantic of our land, and all that one them we get very strategic location them. We get mentioned 4 ways if we provide electricity to the entire region. We're not gonna go for school we teach we picking the fishing in Norway, where we get Bambalang, where they feel learn fishing in our own country, where you feel work the thing where you learn for school. They go bring some abstract place we do forestation for them. Meanwhile, they can't take on timber them. They send them for Lebanon. When they go make those wonderful furniture them for Lebanon, the Lebanese they come back now. We not if be afford. We not if afford for buy them when now we get the raw material. Why? That's not the kind of education. So support the AGOVC. Believe in the leadership of the AGOVC and the ADF. May any man go for World Bank their website, read the document for yourself, see how World Bank don't describe revolution. The people then the criminals Grand Maryland them when they don't always try to paint the AGOVC and the ADF like say they work for the Republic. They don't take their nose smell the coffee, they don't take their eye chop Christmas. For no say they go lie, the gullible people them, but they not go lie forever. Lie never ever win. Lie the be now for a short time, but after that short time if the lie go be over. All these criminals then for this revolution where they don't make the journey, it be longer for some people. They made them know say they play now with lives them, and any minute for ground zero life they lost, and no say they picking their lives they don't mean nothing for them. Now why that way they manipulate them the way they manipulate them, but enough is enough. It's a new day in Ambazonia. Support the vision of the leadership of the Ambazonia Governing Council and the Ambazonia Defense Forces, because we be the patriot the way our work now for defend and protect our women and children until our independence is established. And after we establish our independence, we go continuously to protect our country, because our country they like a gold where you sit in a mine where everybody go to be tempted for can't try we. So the defense of our homeland no go ever stop. May all man contribute for the defense of our homeland, because the structures they will build them now, and the equipment them what would train for build them now we go to build one war equipment them. We not go to so go important, because we build a country where any man in place there. Blacksmith their place go there where they make guns, they make bullets, they make all kind of armory production, they make bombs. Where if any country one can try we, well, even if I been a trade, no man no go fit try we. So I go end here continuously inviting everybody to attend that fundraiser. Please do log on to www.ttof.net and contribute, just contribute. It is a do or die. We are at the point of no return, and we are winning already. So just do it. Thank you guys so much. And once more, this is your comrade Wally of the Ambazonia Defense Forces, the ADF. Omani Cafe Day up. Revolutionary greetings, fellow Ambazonians.